Alright, so I'm going to go over a really interesting behavior over here. So you have on the left hand side, you see Google Daily Chart. Alright, now Google Daily Chart is going down. No question about it, down, 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 down. But here, it hits the climax. How do I know? Biggest volume, 32 waves, biggest price action, 18 waves, followed by the biggest price volume action in 11 and 32 waves. What does that mean? Panic selling needs professional buying. When they teach you, oh, this is selling climax, automatic rally, or something like that, all right? So here's the point. What is it really? And forget the pattern and the schematic. What is it really? Climax is panic selling. That's what it is. Sell at the worst prices. And when panic selling happens at the worst prices, it's the best prices to buy. So you have professional buying. So this climax and automatic rally, or the sign of strength, whatever you want to call it, is panic selling meets professional buying. The wave up has high price volume prints because it's professional buying having met panic selling, which is the climax. You want to get away from the schematic and the, I don't know what to call it, the pattern thinking, and see the reality for what it is. You have a market that's going down, 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 and at the low you have the most amount of selling. Why? Because panic selling. And professional buying meets the panic selling, as indicated from simple principle of buying low, or buying the panic, or buying the best prices. Whatever you want to call it, this is what's going on. Panic selling meets professional buying. So anyway, this is why I don't know what's going to happen next, but there's something going on here. There's professional activity here. There's no question about it. All right, so now we go from the daily to the Renko, and basically chops up the daily into boxes, and those boxes have volume in them. I find that very important because you can see where. I explained this before, right? Like the way you want to think about Renko and on a wave, right, is here you have accumulation at the bottom, right? Oh shit. What happened? Anyway, I don't know, chart is stuck or whatever, but you have accumulation at the bottom, which comes in the form of accumulation brick. Then you have breakout somewhere in the middle, and then you have a climax brick at the top. Why? This is based off the principle of buying low, selling high. Simple as that. The high volume at the bottom to start the move, the breakout to break a level and take it higher, and the climax to sell. Buy low, sell high. That's how you want to think about it, because that's what's really going on. All right. So here, I'm very interested in this area. For some reason, I think I saw something here on the daily, but it bounced off that area, right? Now, look at this. Here, the market, this low is 94.41. As the market goes to the same level, it goes to 94.39. What position is this? This is spring position. It's a spring position, and I'm interested because it's against that area, meaning against that brick. Because I know this is where they defended, right? So they defended going to the same area. So now we go into that same area, and now we go. What did I do? Now we go on the 5-minute chart. You can use a 5-minute, 3-minute. I don't recommend 1 minute unless you're using shorter time frame, right? But On the 5-minute, makes it much, much easier. All right, now it goes to the spring position, and what the hell happens from a spring position? Look at this. It hit the spring, and what came from that spring? Sign of strength, right there. Sign of strength, right? So how do you read this from wave? Respect 15 minutes did 30 cents, 35 minutes did 50 cents, 20 minutes did 50 cents, 35 minutes did 80 cents, and here 90 minutes did $1.50. What is that? An increase in time and an increase in price. Again, increase in time and increase in price. Biggest price volume wave in 22 waves coming from a spring. It hit the spring. What happened? Buying. What happened? The low was rejected. Right? So then after that, you just wait because, I mean, this is $1.50 up, right? And it hit the first wave, did about 90 cents. So I want less than that. The second wave did 50 cents. That's good. That's 1/3 the size of $1.50. So that means there's weakness. Now, when it reverses, you take the long. So that's what happened. So now we'll see how far this thing goes. If you get a brick on a Renko, you know, that's one brick on a Renko will take this thing up all the way up to here. We'll take it above this high. So that's good, right? I mean, it's not that hard to enter this position. You know, you look over here, you see it went to the POC, tap, retap, and then reversed. You see the green bar right there saying what? Long. That's what it's saying, because breaking out. So now we see where it's going to go. One brick on it will take it to, what the hell is going to take it to? Right above this high. Just one brick. So look at this. I mean, you have that one, two, I don't know what it is. One, two. It's more than 2 to 1 for just one brick. Just one brick gives you that. If you get 2 bricks, it'll be a 4 to 1 move. You get 3 bricks, 6 to 1. But anyway, the point here is this is how you buy springs. All right, over and out. Hope you learned something. Thank you. Bye.